Jace here, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Guys, I got a special guest with me today. This is my man, Big Jim. Hey, Big Jim for a reason. I'm 7 foot tall. He's about 7'9" over there. The big guy with Bare Knuckle BBQ. All right, and Big Jim lives right outside of Atlanta, but he traveled all around the country feeding NFL teams. Goes down to Florida a lot, Jacksonville Jaguars, comes up here, Tennessee Titans, but travels all around. And he's custom ordered him a pit on a trailer for him to haul around with him. And so guys, let's check it out here. So now it is on our trailer package. As I said, now this is our Fridge 60 on our trailer package. And guys, we build all of our trailers in-house, and we build our trailers around your setup. So we'll sit down and figure out, okay, you want this, this, and this on your trailer. We'll design the trailer to fit all that. You want a little extra storage room, we can do that. Got your jack up front, spare tire on the back side there, guys. You know the deal. You don't want to be on the side of the road without a spare tire, so we got that. Now, this smoker here from my man Big Jim, he's a big guy, so we actually raise it up a little higher for him. So that's why I look a little short, because we got the smoker up high for him. Vertically challenged, he says. But let's open this up. So on all of our fridge models, guys, you do have 3 sliding trays. Now, what's nice about the fridges is, I mean, there's a lot of cook room in them. You got 22 inches deep. So this is our 60 model, 60 inches wide. It says a reverse flow unit. So we have removable reverse flow plates down in here. You can pull them out to clean up underneath if you want to. But what they'll do is they'll direct the smoke all the way across the bottom and then back out of the smoke chamber. So it makes for real even cook temperature inside there. Runs really well. Close that up there. And we got stainless steel front shelf here. Big 72-inch stainless steel front shelf there.
Gotta have that.
Gotta have that. Easy to clean up. Looks good. Won't rust up on you. Come over here. Start with the firebox here. Now, he did get our insulated firebox. Open that up.
Because why wouldn't you?
Why wouldn't you? Yeah, I mean, guys, the more 1/4-inch plate steel we put in here, the better. So we got insulated 1/4-inch plate steel all throughout. Still have your fire management cradle down there. Close that up. Check out the hot box here. Now guys, with our Fridge 60, you actually get an extra large hot box, so over 2,000 square inches of cook space in here. Still got your 5 sliding trays in here. Now, the way it works, you got a baffle plate down here that's removable, and it has daisy wheels in it. So what that allows y'all to do is you can use this as a warmer, you can smoke in it, you can grill in it, get direct fire. So really versatile setup there. You can step around the back side of the trailer here, you can see some of that extra storage I was talking about. You got a lot of storage on here. Put your warmers in here, folding tables, plenty of wood storage, all LED lights all the way around, of course. So guys, that is Big Jim's Fridge 60. About to head down the road back home with him. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.